Remikap the Azui Kamtaya Bobing. All India Football Federation with President Election Kalyan Chowbe na Yuhera. Bajung Pudiana Kanmet Akmang Sambang the political pressure like high Pongshok Haira. Civil Engineer Kwisang Ran Mobetsli retired mechanical engineer re-engaged Sada Mijangaina Kabangasang with Ninkamong Lehera. Lake Yangto other the Tangkul Express Wibao Tangmaring Jodang in a Pamile Bobingi Mesaina Nang Rumsa. All India Football Federation AIFF with President Qatar Kalyan Chowbe Sahara. AIFF President Election Sada Indian Football Team Myanmar with Captain Saksa Bajung Budiala Nganinga Ka Mayuratua. Election Jili Indian Team with former goalkeeper Kalyan Chowbe Kanmet Tumrada Kutum Sambanga. Bajung Budiana Akamang Sambangawa. Chowbe West Bengal with BJP MLA Lasadale. Election in Mike Shi Sambang Hai Maramli Budiana Gahang and a Ganjute Wivang Odram Natuda Singum Magagahaira. Kala Arelo Odram Natavafra. Election in Magagaw Wivang Ali Katom Kasano Bing Ningmering Palma de Lera Gaji Paptaya. Kami Salala Awivang Kasadmi Gahaibing Ali Gatomi Gahaibing Psychorally Ningshilaka Gaji Bajung Budiana Pangshoka. Election in Makuji political interference Marlak Aina Lake Hawi Vang Zanga da Hamro Sikkim Party with General Secretary Biraj Adhikari Nahanga. Ka Aji Wihili Sikkim Wimina Bajung Budiali Gagadom Lake Shi Jite Gahaji Niyang Lagada Biraj Nahangsanga. Adhikari Nagahang BJP na political pressure Misalala Budiana Awikyagala Mangla Muyo Shokmana. AIFF President Ngapam Wivang Kanganinji withdraw Sakvai political pressure Malagay na Rasalala. Kagadom now being we mga ay nanganintit kishabna da Budiana hanga. Corruption charges wivang CBI na mig zangda kale MTS we ena rita Saghai mechanical engineers MOBC we engineering cell Mobetsli Hogsang Pao Sambangdale. Mobetsli mechanical engineer maningla civil engineer Hosang Ran Gajina. PWTL we former chief engineer Binoy Kumar Singh na Mikishok Atishuda buildings Shongfugala Tong Gatagasem Odli Yakishokala execute Kasa civil engineer Bing Mangna Kasana Langmida Rita Saghai Bingli re-engage Masamra La Service Magasay Sang Mimrakaji High Court and State Cabinet to Dugtag Hailale Rita Saghai Bingli re-engage La Service extend Kasa Maling Sakvai Amsunala Ajugum Ebil Kasa Shoga State Chogana Engineering Departments Societies Corporation Gatha Ritasa High Engineer Hogsang Lakeup Talajia. Atumliki criteria Aina re-engage Kasakala Kajing Rurik Jitakami Malamana. Manipur Minorities and OBC's Economic Development Society we engineering cell retired additional chief engineer Akali 2019 we ena chief engineer Sara Kabangsang Haidale. Re-engage Sadakli engineer ba Jui Shimkurna da Hanga. Secretary to CM Jina Mobets with Vice Chairman Ngasaya. CM na Jui Chairman Gasana. Rita Sahalala re-engage Gasaji Shimkur Tesa Sahauda Mijang Sakhaila Gaji Kanghan Ladle. MTS we retired engineer officers Kanikala retired surveyor of works Aka the Arihon Mobetsli re-engage Sadale. Kala Stately Civil Construction Ngate da Semda Kaleli Yang Sankvai re-engage Kasa Executive Engineer Draka Mechanical Engineer Najia. Civil Engineer Sangranli Mechanical Engineer Kasangji Member Secretary Ena Chief Engineer na Kiwivang Kikamagahang Kala Kachila Kanghan Sadale. Manipur Government Departments BWT Water Resources BHET Kala Minor Irrigation Zangdawi Engineering Cell Civil Construction Odvivang Supervise Sakvai Mechanical Engineer Hogsang Malelakmana Kajihangda Yariwi Od Kasali Yariwi Pakvai Paning the Technical Knowledge Matada Kalabingni Hosangi Gachina the Pauchina Hangsanga.
HIV Lambi Mari Kuptada Mio Yamadagi Madasindi.
HIV positive Oiba Mama Padagi Machada.
Sakangdaba miyoisinga kondom yaudana yuman mari thamba matamda HIV sandoi.
Mi amaga yatum siren waiduna sizinabada HIV sandoi.
Ana layeng da ikapa matamda HIV test to the ikabla HIV shantu
ꯆꯥꯡ ꯅꯥꯏꯅ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯅꯤꯌꯣꯝ ꯆꯨꯝꯅ ꯀꯣꯟꯗꯣꯝ ꯁꯤꯖꯤꯟꯅꯕꯅ HIV ꯉꯥꯛꯊꯣꯛꯄ ꯉꯝꯃꯤ
Sexual transmitted infection STI
ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯤ ꯐꯤꯅꯨꯡꯒꯤ ꯂꯥꯏꯅꯥꯗꯒꯤꯁꯨ ꯉꯥꯛꯊꯣꯛꯄ ꯉꯝꯃꯤ
aduga angang pamdrabadi kondom sijinabiyo
HIV haiba virus asina mipum khudimagta sokhali
ꯃꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯅꯝꯈꯩ ꯂꯩꯇꯦ ꯆꯍꯤ ꯂꯥꯏꯅꯤꯡ ꯀꯥꯡꯂꯨꯞ ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯒ ꯅꯨꯄꯥ ꯅꯨꯄꯤ ꯑꯉꯥꯡ ꯈꯥꯏꯗꯦ
masina mi amadagi amada mathang sandokpa ngami
ꯑꯩꯅ ꯑꯗꯣꯝꯕꯨ ꯁꯤꯡꯅꯔꯤ HIV ꯇꯦꯁ ꯇꯧꯅꯕꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ
ꯑꯩꯅ ꯑꯗꯣꯝꯕꯨ ꯁꯤꯡꯅꯔꯤ ꯀꯣꯟꯗꯣꯝ ꯁꯤꯖꯤꯟꯅꯕꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛ
aina adombu singnari nasabu HIV dai kanjanaba HIV AIDS ki maramda hena kupa moron khangnabagi damak
AIDS toll free number 1097 ꯗ ꯐꯣꯟ ꯇꯧꯕꯤꯌꯨ
इंग्लिश हिंदी नत्रगा मणिपुरी द वरी साबा यागनी
नाको एड्स एप्सु डाउनलोड तौबियु अमदी सिजनबियु
Achukumi Rashtriya Boshan Ma Program Kamjong Lila launch Sahira. Kamjong ICDS Cell Social Welfare na Makok Mida launch Kasajili Ajahon Thang Riha Khui Community Hall Kuigaya. Program Jili Kamjong with Deputy Commissioner Rang Namai Rang Pida na Maso Wasami. CMO Dr. Lucy Twitang aina ZDO L Nabakumar na Kiyawo Sada Vazanga. Rashtriya Boshan Ma Haugpok Rani Chili Rihawi Headman Ungang Mahung na Functional President Sada Vazanga. DC Rang Namai na program Chui Kapa Kajia National Naukwai Gala Nugshiman Bingli Nutrition Ngarin Kami Maramli Hangda Boshan Ma We Ot Ngurut Matada Sakawai Kasatsanga. Zingum Turuk aina tangdawi national bing now kwai bing nugishiman bing kala tibop adolescent shinau bing na pusali kankana nutrition wi maramli CMO Dr. Lucina Misa aina phechitheya Rashtriya Boshan Ma launch kasawi rally la chata dignitaries bing wins shinau san bing na sharuk bakuya State with farmers psychically har mathadang rin mikwai agriculture department na hotna da khale Kala district bingli har yaw kamili transparency mathalak aina layada agriculture minister Thongam Biswajit Nahanga har atam chada phungmida farmers bingni atam chada yaw khmi gaina kha har chungmai targar sa bingwi issue le salabai da agriculture minister Jinahanga Biswajit Nagahang stately har back lak shini shika targar sa je back lak mati mang sambang haida issue khalai gaina Kahar Yao Kamili Transparency Ling Sakavai Agriculture Department Sakabai Sadalay the Agriculture Minister Thongam Biswajit Nahanga. Marami Ajahon Dang Chandel District Li Rashtriya Krishi Vikas Yochnawi Azingni Training Hall Kam Hostel Kasem Inspection Kavali Gahanga. Kongjom Bazali Agriculture Department Agro Market Shed Kasemla Minister Jinavayanga. Official Pau Atishura State with Farmer Pingli Harbek Lakatum Tangkai Yomiera. Churjambuli Rungda Kale National SC/ST Hub Mega Conclave IMSME with Union Minister of State Bhanu Pradap Singh Vermana Thargat Kamihera. Kazipchi Union Ministry of Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises na Makok Mida EBC Gospel Centenary Hall Dedim Road Hebron Vang New Lamgali Rumia. Union Minister na Gahang Industry Gahak Makalay Manipur Kata State Kadir Nauli Langapai Abong Kirami Kwai MSME wi Otmanga Kagalaya. Large Scale Industry Vatsala la Manipuri Small Scale Industry Tongpai Lak Ainalaya. MSME Sector le Manipur wi Potential Kagalaya the Minister Jinahanga. India wi GDP le MSME Ministry 30% contributes Kasaje 50% Kashung Kwai Rindalay the Hanga. Manipur Textile, Commerce and Industry Minister Nemja Kipken la Kasip Chili Wasangda Manipur Shoka Wishong Aina MSME Wivang Sami Gbai Sami Rada Hangsanga Kasip Chili Bang Aina Line Department Ngatate the wi Akoka Bing Wasangda Entrepreneurship Gatom Kwai Matalak Aina SC/ST Entrepreneurs Bingli Gatom Mi Kwai Rindale NSSH Li Industry Specific Training Business Orientation Programs E-Tendering we maram hikatahi tamjithaidale. Sadar Gleji SC/ST entrepreneurs being with technical and business skill matai make Vaikasana. Chandel with Divisional Forest Officer Transfer Salaga Aram Nauli Otpamji Mikvai Pohaira. Unique Business Association Chandel Aina Sulam Business Association Chandel na Timangasa Breast Statement League Hang Later Clay DFOG local nominating Mada Ali Transfer Milaga Yari na Gankana Papta Shapki Local Nauli TFO Sang Saklu the Bodley. Chandel we resume now chamla la cham makeup kichi larik matam khui bing aina atui arali kahap le haugada china yari we problem sa hauda long china hanga arihon Chandel we DFO pungda khlaya we administration ngajan hawada ali warning lami ga haina chi DFO Chandel matik machamada otsak vai kapha atmosphere la mukhirar manada hanga Yari na tingrong ling sanga da tingrong na wa kapola la Chandel we DFO na mamitua la DFO office pamwi nursery liva tingrong na utraka haikasana da maring kapala pangshoka
Hoziki matamda mipum khudimagna hainari stay home stay safe Wahai se magun dilay adubu wahai da magun lairagata yabasu natte oiba yai yumadu da magun lairabade Mamangai dadi yumse yum khakta oirame hozikti office spa salon restaurant supermarket manamasingi kaitel Angang singi school amadi football field punamak yum ngaktani hozikti yum danatana hairiba punamak sing sisu samely aduna yumbu yam section na sabiyu maximum ga loinana maximum take laroi da yum tatlaroi da mari
Manipur Education Department ni sangmi kahai reader samakra teachers aina lake sabing ni department na kaishok lik vaisa wada maring pa protest pamchitayra Shokana jizu kami kashokli department gala samakra da khailaga head of account ngatayra da shokami wibang maring pa pangshokna Reader Education Department li integrate masarang laka samakra teacher da lekasa jishud mi tingatum shamadi hangji sharli 2020 kum department li integrated sami kaina ka azugum shokarna jizu kamili atumwi head of account ngatayra da shokhauda 2020 kum department li ngurum kamiji kasina ka malung hamtak vai kasa thaira da ex samakra teachers pingjina kapishoka salary head of account ngajai kamiji mami amana da atumna aya ajahon thang khani thang mass schedule leave khuilaga maringpa phangshokhaira Kashokana Chili Matada Mang Hanga Kami Wivang Association China Democratic Education Sava Fura the Ladele. Atila Integrated Teachers Spring China is a chow with zonal officially sit-in protest Pamjitera the Ladele. Ngalay Gitali Majahanla India we Ningchuk Pangthem Kalata Aina Semkashap Pangshap Kala Admani Parat we Manga Kavachi Teda India we indigenous aircraft carrier Kare Aya Prime Minister Narendra Modi na commission sami hera. India we indigenous aircraft kapunga jahaz Indian naval ship Vikran Hoda G Gojin Shipyard Limited we aina commission sami da kazip chile India we naval pilan naval ensign Nishan Anvil sami da BM na ensign Katharji Jahadrapati Shivatsli dedicate sahira. Ladluida Kamadaya Pauping All India Football Federation with President Election Kalyan Chaube na Yuhera. Bajung Pudiana Kanmet Akmang Sambang the political pressure like high Pongshok Haira. Civil Engineer Kwisang Ran Mobetsli retired mechanical engineer re-engage Sada Mijangaina Kabangasang with Ninkamong Lehera. Azu Bao Hinang Janghira Nanada Clean Tum Cycroli Ringpa Kamahai Zimishong Saserano.